Welcome to the era of smart technology driven by artificial intelligence, where limitless opportunities unfold for achieving financial success. In this topic, we will unveil the latest money-making strategies utilizing artificial intelligence and how technology can become your partner in realizing financial aspirations. In the dynamic landscape of the 21st century, the fusion of artificial intelligence, AI, and financial success has emerged as a compelling narrative. This article delves into the realm of AI money-making hacks, unveiling strategies that can transform your financial journey. Prepare to embark on a transformative exploration of cutting-edge tactics that leverage AI to elevate your financial status. Intelligent market analysis. Explore how AI can analyze financial data, identifying promising investment opportunities with unprecedented accuracy and speed. Smart investment portfolio. Development. Discover the use of algorithms to build a balanced and efficient investment portfolio that leads to sustainable financial returns. Machine learning in financial decision-making. Understand how machine learning can support you in making intelligent investment decisions, enhancing the performance of your financial ventures. Innovating businesses with AI. Learn how AI can inspire entrepreneurs to innovate and create new businesses in the world of finance. The rise of AI in finance. AI has transcended its role as a mere technological marvel. It has become an indispensable force in reshaping the financial landscape. From analyzing vast data sets to predicting market trends with uncanny accuracy, AI has proven its mettle. The question arises, how can we harness this power to unlock the doors of financial prosperity? Strategy 1. Intelligent market analysis. Imagine having the ability to process colossal amounts of financial data in real time, identifying hidden opportunities that traditional methods might overlook. AI's capacity to swiftly analyze market trends empowers investors with a decisive edge. It's not just about making informed decisions, it's about making them faster and smarter than ever before. Strategy 2. Smart investment portfolio. Development. Through sophisticated algorithms, AI can craft investment portfolios that are diverse and optimized for maximum returns. The days of relying solely on intuition are fading, making room for data-driven decisions that adapt to market dynamics. The result? A portfolio that stands resilient amidst financial fluctuations. Strategy 3. Machine learning in financial decision-making. The marriage of machine learning and financial decision-making is a game-changer. AI's ability to learn and adapt means that it evolves alongside market conditions. Whether it's predicting stock movements or suggesting investment strategies, machine learning transforms financial decision-making into a dynamic and responsive process. It's like having a financial advisor that never sleeps, always learning, always optimizing. Strategy 4. Innovating businesses with AI. Beyond personal finance, AI is a catalyst for entrepreneurial innovation. Businesses that embrace AI discover new realms of efficiency and creativity. Imagine a startup leveraging AI to identify untapped market niches or an established company streamlining operations through AI-driven automation. The potential for innovation is boundless, and those who seize it position themselves at the forefront of financial success. As we navigate the intricacies of AI money-making hacks, it's evident that the fusion of artificial intelligence and finance is not just a trend, it's a revolution. The strategies outlined here are pathways to financial empowerment. Embrace the power of AI, adapt to the changing tides of the financial landscape, and witness the transformation of your financial future. The journey to financial success begins with understanding and harnessing the limitless potential of AI. It's time to redefine your approach to wealth creation and embark on a journey towards unparalleled financial prosperity. Are you ready to unlock the doors to your financial future? The keys lie in the algorithms, the insights, and the innovations that AI brings to the table. Embrace the future. Embrace financial success. Subscribe now and be a part of the financial transformation journey. In summary, this content presents a blend of inspirational ideas and practical strategies, culminating in a strong encouragement to join the Make Money channel.